हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम वालेकुम। क्या हाल चाल। इस वीडियो में आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्कस एनी क्रिकेट बेटिंग टिप्स, बल्कि आज मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करूंगा एक ऐसा टॉपिक जो मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था हम कभी डिस्कस करेंगे। कैन चेन्नई सुपर किंग क्वालिफाई फॉर द प्लेऑफ्स। हर सीज़न में चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स हमेशा क्वालिफाई करता है, बट दिस 2020 IPL में they look very much a different team. They don't look like a team that will qualify for the playoff. So can they? अब तक उन्होंने 8 गेम्स खेले हैं, 3 वो जीत चुके हैं, 5 उन्होंने हारे हैं। They are currently at position number 6 with 6 points only. 8 गेम्स खेलने के बाद चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स 6th रैंक पे लास्ट टाइम 2010 में थी, बट दैट टाइम दे हैड एन एडवांटेज दैट दे वर प्लेइंग इन इंडिया। दे हैड होम गेम्स इन द चिदम्बरम स्टेडियम एंड रायना एंड महेंद्र सिंह धोनी वर एट सुप्रीम फॉर्म। इस सीजन में ना उनके पास रायना है एंड महेंद्र सिंह धोनी लुक्स लाइक एन एजिंग टाइगर। इस वक्त चेन्नई सुपर किंग इज रियली स्ट्रगलिंग। 2 और रीज़न है चेन्नई सुपर किंग स्ट्रगल कर रही है, एंड दैट इज उनकी बॉलिंग डज नॉट हैव द टीथ। दे डोंट हैव पेसर्स लाइक बुमराह, आर्चर और रबाडा दैट कैन रियली स्केयर द बैट्समैन ऑन द ओपोनेंट साइड। द टॉप जो उनके बॉलर्स हैं वो हैं सैम करन, एंड ही इज़ एक्चुअली एन ऑलराउंडर। अगर आपका ऑलराउंडर आपका हाईएस्ट विकेट टेकर है, then there is a problem in your team. You want your main pacers, spinners to do the job. Unfortunately, before the tournament started, Harbhajan called it off. He could not come, and Chawla just didn't perform. And after some games, Chawla को निकाल दिया गया, and that has been a problem too. The spin doesn't work. The pacers haven't done. There is a big problem in their bowling. The bigger problem that the Chennai Super King is facing right now कि उनके batsmen in the beginning just looked very rusty. वॉटसन ने 4-5 गेम्स में कुछ भी स्कोर नहीं किया। अंबती रायडू ने फर्स्ट गेम में स्कोर किया, बट देन ही गॉट सिक, ही डिड नॉट प्ले फॉर फ्यू गेम्स। केदार जाधव को ट्राई किया, ही डिड नॉट प्ले वेल। महेंद्र सिंह धोनी स्टिल अप अंटिल टुडे डज नॉट लुक इन हिज प्राइम फॉर्म, एक्सेप्ट फाफ डू प्लेसी। दे लुक्ड अ very unsettled batting unit. Thankfully, Shane Watson, Faf du Plessis, Raidu now looks in form, and there is some hope, but otherwise they looked a very weak team. तो क्या कर सकती है इस वक्त चेन्नई सुपर किंग? अभी उनके पास 6 गेम्स बाकी हैं। अगर वो 6 में से 5 गेम्स जीत पाती हैं, जिसके चांसेस काफ़ी कम हैं, बट इफ़ दे डू दैट they are definitely in a safe zone, so they definitely have a very good chance of qualifying. If they do 5 out of 6, they will be at 16 points, and there is nobody who can stop them. अगर 6 में से वो 4 गेम भी जीत पाते हैं, then they will still be at 14 points, and they have a 50-50 chance depending how the others will play. Worst case scenario, they have to win 3 games, and if they do that, 2012, 2019 में जिस तरह से सनराइजर हैदराबाद qualified based on the net run rate with 12 points, you just never know. Maybe Chennai Super Kings will also qualify. Of course, Mahendra Singh Dhoni and all the fans of Chennai Super Kings will hope कि Chennai Super Kings 6 में से कम 5 गेम जीत के आराम से qualify कर जाए. But guys, that's going to be little difficult, especially with the kind of form Chennai Super Kings is right now. What is the road ahead for them? इस वक्त जो उनके 6 गेम्स हैं, they will play against Delhi, राजस्थान, मुंबई, RCB, कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स एंड किंग्स 11 पंजाब। नाउ ऑफ कोर्स उनके लिए 2 बहुत डिफिकल्ट गेम हैं, दैट इज़ अगेंस्ट दिल्ली एंड मुंबई, जो बहुत ही वेल सेटल्ड टीम है, और उनको हरा पाना इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ चैलेंज। दोनों ही टीम्स, दिल्ली एंड मुंबई, आर very both in respect of the bowling and the batting unit. दिल्ली they can only hope कि पंत वापस नहीं आए, क्योंकि अगर पंत वापस आते हैं तो हेटमायर भी वापस आ जाएंगे, and they can only hope that पंत stays not well for a couple of more days, which is going to be a match starting on the 17th. So अगर ऐसा हुआ, they have a good chance. Otherwise the shift changes as well. Rajasthan Royals right now does not look like a very strong team. Smith himself has not been in form. but it can change any moment. RCB it's also is looking a very settled team for a change. दो उनका रिकॉर्ड शायद अगेंस्ट हेड टू हेड उतना अच्छा नहीं है, बट रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर दिस ईयर स्पेसिफिकली, स्पेशली विद DDR and Saini and Chris Morris playing so well, they look a very good teams. Kings 11 Punjab, though they are at the bottom, don't knock them out, because by the time they may play the game, they may turn out to be a very strong team, especially now that the Chris Gayle is back. And Kolkata Knight Riders, with now Ian Morgan taking up the captaincy role, I'm sure you will see the difference. So कोई भी game easy नहीं रहेगा, but Chennai Super Kings really have to play out of their skin to really win at least even 4 games out of 6. So here are my few recommendations, and I really very strongly believe कि अगर उन्होंने ये नहीं किया, they will be in a deep shit. Imran Tahir last year IPL के purple cap winner थे. That means he took the most number of wickets. I just feel baffled कि अब तक इमरान ताहिर को क्यों नहीं खिलाया. Hopefully now they will do the swap between Dwayne Bravo and Imran Tahir, considering the fact that UAE की pitches अब थक चुकी हैं, बॉल थोड़ी नीचे रह रही है, स्पिन को सपोर्ट कर रही है, स्लो हो गई है, and this is the perfect time you have to bring on Imran Tahir, just like Kings 11 Punjab, Chris Gayle, they have to bring Imran Tahir. Without Imran Tahir, no Harbhajan Singh, Chennai Super King has no chance in hell कि वो क्वालिफाई कर पाएंगे. इमरान ताहिर इवन इन CPL 2020 was number 3 wicket taker. You cannot keep a player like that outside. You cannot keep them so hungry. You have to bring Imran Tahir back. That is the number 1 criteria. Look at his performance. 55 games खेले हैं, 79 wickets with an economy of less than 8. You cannot not bring Imran Tahir. So I am really baffled, and they have brought problems to their own selves by not playing Imran Tahir. Dwayne Bravo hasn't really performed. 6 games में उन्होंने 5 wickets लिए हैं 8 games में, and he has given runs with an economy of 8.70. He has batted only twice. उन्होंने बैटिंग करी और सिर्फ 7 रन बनाए. So he has not really contributed as a bowler, as an all-rounder. You have to get Mahendra Singh Dhoni. You cannot leave him out. Number 2, middle order की जिम्मेदारी in the absence of सुरेश रायना, अंबटी रायडू को लेनी ही पड़ेगी. Currently he showed some form in the last game, and he has to continue playing this until the end of the tournament. Otherwise, if the top 3 don't perform, अंबटी रायडू ने अगर नहीं contribute किया with a good 40-50 every time, he has to play the cheat anchor role, because if that does not happen, Chennai Super Kings are not going to qualify. So Ambati Rayudu, you are the player for Chennai Super Kings this year. You have to prove yourself. You have all the experience in the world. Do it, show it. You have all the shots. So आपको वो करना ही पड़ेगा, because if Ambati doesn't do it, Chennai isn't winning. Lastly, the finish has to be really, really good. Mahendra Singh Dhoni does not look in form. He has not been hitting sixes. He has not been hitting runs, and that does not really help. Generally, Chennai Super Kings plays very slow, and they want to really take out the team in the last 5 to 7 overs. And Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the key for that. And if he does not do it himself, that's a big problem. He cannot always keep taking singles. We need the Mahendra Singh Dhoni back of 2010 to really take the opposition out of the game, and that just hasn't happened. Ravindra Jadeja once in a while has done the job, in fact on most occasions, but you cannot just rely on Ravindra Jadeja. Last 5 overs on an average they've scored 50, but that's thanks to a couple of innings in Sharjah and some players here and there. But man, you really need to score a lot more, especially अगर आप पहले 15 overs में अच्छा नहीं score करते हैं. So a lot depends on Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Ravindra Jadeja. The way they will finish the game will decide how the Chennai Super King will finish the tournament. With that said, ये थे मेरे reasons, and with this I really hope the Chennai Super Kings really make the necessary changes in performs and wins. If not wins, at least qualify for the playoff. Chennai Super Kings in the playoff, अगर वो नहीं जाती है, I'm sure all the fans will be extremely disappointed. हमें आदत हो गई है उनकी qualify करने की, so it's extremely important that they do it. I really wish them good luck and I wish you all good luck with your cricket betting tips as well. I hope आप सब लोग पैसा कमा रहे हैं इससे and will make lots of money with the remainder of the IPL tournament. अगर आपको मुझसे कुछ डायरेक्ट बात करनी है in regards with the cricket betting, you can reach out to my Instagram channel, message me directly. The link will be there in description. अगर आपको हमारी क्रिकेट लवर्स जेन्युइन कम्युनिटी ज्वाइन करनी है जहाँ पर हम कुछ पैसा नहीं लेते हैं किसी से, बट वी कम टुगेदर ड्यूरिंग द गेम एंड वहाँ पर हम एक दूसरे की हेल्प करते हैं to make the right decision and make money together. So if you want to join us as well, make sure you go to the description box and join the channel. And lastly, अब तक अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है to the channel, make sure you do it to not to miss out on any important and interesting cricket betting tips or any such nice interesting video. Until then guys, I'll see you soon and Khuda Hafiz.